Now, next online tool for conducting formative assessment is quizzes. You come to quizzes. Here you can find a quizzes. Suppose I wish to now I'm having a leisure time. I would like to learn something. So what I can do? Computer quizzes. I am searching for quizzes. You see, computer basic. Lots of quizzes will be available here. That makes quizzes unique. Okay. You can ask your children or your students to use quizzes application whenever they are free. So they can learn by taking the quizzes. You see how we people get, how we or children are getting addicted to some games. The same way we can get addicted to the quizzes also. But that will give us learning, no? A platform for learning. But games are giving nothing for us. Now you see computer basic. It's lots of quizzes will be there. Okay. Now you can choose anyone, computer memory, then practice or challenge friends. Or that option is also there. I can challenge some of my friends. Start game. Okay. Now how can I challenge anybody? Please enter. Now what you need to do is joinmyquiz.com. You can enter joinmyquiz.com. Joinmyquiz.com. Please enter joinmyquiz.com. Everybody, please, we will just challenge, make a challenge. So this is how you can, we can do it. Okay, join, spelling mistake. Joinmyquiz.com. Then enter this code 310. I can paste it 310911304. Okay. Somebody also please do. I can have music. Many things are there here. Okay. Joinmyquiz.com. You please enter. Then enter 310911304. Here on quizzes, you can either create quizzes and challenge your students, or you can use the available quizzes online. You can use any quizzes, any quiz which is already available and challenge your students. Even you don't want to make a quiz because on your topic you find a better quiz. Now you see Shweta, Arul Selvi, Swapna, Sinu, all these people have joined. Okay. Now I'll just start it. Yeah. In terms of computer memory, what is meant by the term volatile? You see, I am also a participant here. I am also a participant. I am challenging you. Okay, the way we challenge in games. What is virtual memory? Sheila is leading. Now next question, RAM and ROM are known as what kind of memory? Why is virtual memory needed for or used by a computer? Okay, there are 15 questions. What is usually held in the contents of RAM? Where is ROM usually found inside a computer? What is the average size of RAM in a PC or laptop computer? Okay. Now, hereafter, when you are free, you please go to QZ. I recommend you to install QZ's application on your mobile. Whenever you are free, you take some quizzes and do it so that you can learn. The closer a memory type is to the CPU, the slower it takes for the CPU to access. Which statement best describes a flash memory? Oh, Sultana ma'am has come to the top. Sheila ma'am again. What is that? Found the computer's BIOS. What actually is the boost for the program of loading the drive? Uh, See, this is a great tool to learn. Actually, this quiz was made by someone else. No, we do not know who made it. So many things we could learn from this. Even I did. I made some mistake. You have made some mistakes. From mistakes, we can learn. So at the same time, when we challenge our mates, we will have a competition mind also. So like this, it will be helpful. Now, what we need to do is we need to encourage our students to challenge their peers uh, on like these platforms rather than some games and all when they are away, when they are at homes. Okay. Now you see who is leading. 16. Pardeep Singh sir did not attempt. I think so. This is the game and end game. Like end game. Any on any topic you can find lots of tools here. Okay, who won? Myself. show leaderboard, all these things will be there. Okay. Now, you see your recent activity will be recorded here. What happened? Now you go to quizzes. Quizzes you go. Now you can create like these quizzes. Now we did not create the quiz. We used a quiz which has been made by somebody else. Okay. Now you see, based on our quizzes, we will be given some other based on the quiz which we practice, some other quizzes will be displayed here. Now, my quizzes you go, you can see the quizzes which you have already made. Now, to start making a quiz, you can click on create new quiz. Create a new quiz, you make here you can make a workshop demo. Okay, you can choose a topic from here and click next. Okay, or English, basic English grammar shall we make? Okay, you can give me some questions, grammar questions you can give me so that we will add. Here, these are the items available here. We can use multiple choice, checkbox, that is multiple correct answers. Okay, checkbox, then fill in the blank items, then poll, then open-ended. These are the items we can use it. Now multiple choice will go. Okay, now here. So I'll just add one question. Please give me some question. You see, here the advantage is that you can use
Hello.
maths equations. Okay, equations you can use. You can click here. You can make the equations very correctly. So that's why this will be used.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, some noise is coming
Yeah.
from my neighbor's phone.
Okay, I have muted. See, quizzes allows us to make mathematical equations. So that's possible. Now, if you need some image, audio, something on image or audio on your question, you can use it. Okay, even upload, you can upload MP3 for audio. Now, if English teachers are conducting this, listening type of questions will be there, that can be used. Now, one question I have already done. Now the tag, the seconds, how much time I should give? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, etc. I can allow. The correct answer I have to choose. Okay. If you are having some questions, you please share it. Okay. Now new question I'll go. I can have fill in the blanks. Okay. Please share some questions. You can use media, this image only. Okay. Image. Yeah. Please share questions. Some questions on English grammar. like this you can choose. Here you can choose okay, this is a fill in the blanks, no? So the somebody can choose small a, and somebody may choose the capital A. Like that you have to find it. Now 30 seconds, I'll give 5 seconds. Okay, you just share its correct, uh, which is the correct answer also. I'm not good at English. I think this is against the wall, right? So like this you can do. Yeah, like this you can choose the question, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, etc. You do it. Then finally, here you are having an option. You can make it public. The way we share something on social media, no? Either we can make it private or public. Public means the way we accessed queues earlier on computer memory, no? That was made by someone. The same way, these queues which we make now will be accessed by others if we make it public. But if your quiz is good now, make it public. Let others also use it. Why should you hide? Now, grade you can choose. Okay, base this grade means this is for which standard, etc. This is English. Now, for which standard? It is second standard, third standard, like that you can do. So that when they search, they will find it. Okay. If you need to import from spreadsheet, you can use it. Now, I'll just click that. Now, if the quiz which we make now has to be played, we can do play live. Play live you do. Then classic, no? Classic, 1 by 1. Then continue you click. Now ask the students to go to joinmyquiz.com, then 045164. Or you can click here, share while, even go in Google Classroom, you can share it. Did you understand? On Google Classroom, you can share this. If you click or share, here you click Google Classroom, you can click on manage class. You can see all your classes on that email ID, and here you can choose it. Then you can, when you select the students, all your students will be getting an email. If I click on B.Ed 4th Sem, all the students in B.Ed 4th Sem will be invited for this tool. Okay. Now, if somebody join, I can start, I can continue, like that. Okay. So like this, we can use quizzes.com, and even now, if now you see, you can go to classes, and where all your classes, Google Classrooms classes will be displayed. If you click on a class, you can see its students, and you can allow them. Now, if you want to make some collection, like computer collection of quizzes, you can make create the collection of quizzes. Okay. Now reports, if you want reports, you can click Now you see English grammar, which we just made. I can see its report. What is the accuracy, etc. Question wise, I can check. Okay, all these options will be there. Now live dashboard, if you click, if the quiz is going on, you can see its dashboard, live dashboard. Only Sultana ma'am took the test. Can be seen. So this is a best tool for learning and for making our students learning. You can learn, we can learn, and we can ask, motivate the students also to learn by using this quiz platform. Actually, like puzzle quiz also will be giving us lots of opportunity to learn. No? That way it will be useful. Okay, do you have any doubt regarding this?